Okay, trade recap today. So today I took one trade and it was one break-even trade, and the price action for the New York session was pretty choppy, I would say. I took I took an entry on the 5 minutes. So yeah, first buys into today. I was actually bullish. This entire week was pretty choppy, I would say, but what we had on NQ was this 4 hour here. So we held this 4 hour BISI. We closed below, so then from there I would be an inversion. I already did trade recap on that like yesterday, and I already explained that, but now close it back above it, and now we're holding it. So singular 4 hour BISI there, and then on ES that was this 1 hour, single 1 hour, and then from here we hold a singular 30 minutes. So here 30 minute, close back below, closure back above, and this is the 30 minutes, and also have I think a 1 hour inversion. Yeah, we have a 1 hour inversion there. So I have this BISI, this 1 hour inversion, and then the NQ. On NQ we hold this 4 hour BISI here, and then we also had a 1 hour singular BISI here, right there. So we were also holding this, and then yeah, so I had a bullish bias, and then where would be where would we be drawing towards is the buy side up here, which we have NG, we had an SMT there at 930, and then I was thinking, okay, we have an SMT here, but I would like to see a straight above here and then through here, and then draw towards all-time highs. Like I wasn't expecting for all-time highs to be taken today, but I was expecting for us to trade towards there. So like had a pretty big bullish push, I would say, but we didn't get it. But yeah, the entry 930 opening was right here. Same on ES right here. Going on another 1 minute. So the 1 minute was looking pretty healthy. So on ES we just 930 opening here, we traded higher, and then from here we traded lower. We didn't have any news, only 8:30 news. We didn't have any 10 a.m. news or anything. So what we did is we traded higher from here, dropped lower, then traded higher here again. I wasn't expecting this move. I was expecting this move to be the fake move, because we had these perfectly clean equal lows here, or like perfect, like we had really clean equal lows below here. And then from here, we eventually took those, then traded lower, and then still traded lower. And I was expecting, okay, like I was saying, like, yeah, this is like, I don't even want us to see us go this low. We have this 5 minute here. That's like the last line of defense really, which is here. So we were holding this, even close below this actually as well. But from there, even close below, but then we did create more structure. So here, this looked pretty good. So you had all these lows here, and then from here, I had an imbalance here, and then on 2 minute, I was looking for a bullish setup, which was right here. I said, okay, if we close above this, then this looks really good. We took out equal lows here on the S, took out this low, took out these lows, and then I was expecting for this to be an inversion, and this would be my break-even point. But as you can see, we did close above with this candle, but also this was the point where I'd be break-even, so no trade on this. And then run higher, and then I was looking in this fractal leg, okay, if we inverse somewhere a singular inefficiency in this, then it could still be valid for a bullish setup. So 3 minutes, we had a SIBI here, we had a SIBI here, 4 minutes, still that fractal leg. We had this imbalance without a singular inefficiency. So on the 5 minutes, we have a forced singular 5 minute BISI, or SIBI, sorry, which we closed above with this. This is my entry right there, or that's the closure above with this candle on the 5 minutes. So I'm allowed to take an entry on the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 minutes. My stop is all the way here, which is really, really low. And then let me go up here. And then this was the point where I would be break even. Right there. And then for yes, that would be right here. And I got hit in the same timing. So that would be my break even. So as you can see, I was holding this trade, and this is on a 5 minute. So all these candles are 5 minutes. You can see we trade all the way lower. Eventually did trade lower into this. That was like the last line of defense that I had there. Like the constant encroachment of this rejection block. Then hold this, and then use this to go all the way higher again. Was break even on this, and then my target was a 1 and 2 fixed. There, that would be my first TP, but you can see we entered this, or we hit the high here on the exact same candle on ES, And then I'm here, I got stopped to break even, and then yeah, we literally did nothing the entire day, the rest of the day. But 1 and 2 was my first target, and then the buy setup there was my final target, which we didn't get, of course, obviously. Yeah, that was the trade that I took. So yeah, break even trade. Let me check on TopsFX. So now I'm break even trade. I think it's like a few dollars minus, which doesn't really matter. It's just $1 minus because of trade. And now we're still at that on there. But now I'm at 900K, which is 94K 900. Which is just again around that break-even point. So ending the week here, also I'm gonna make a weekly review and weekly analysis again, and we'll go over that again. But yeah, go now break-even weekend now, and yeah, gonna end here. See you.